Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the recent uploads, but I got some sad news for you. The tripod didn't arrive. It's been like 10 days since we ordered it. They told like we'll get it in like October 1st or 2nd, and it still hasn't arrived. They have a problem with the owners of that company who are supplying the tripods, so I think it will still take a while. So you have to bear with me and the stupid box. And yeah, if you like my videos, go to drop a like and a subscribe, and let's aim for I actually don't know at this point. Let's aim for 25 to 30 likes, because YouTube has frozen my likes. So basically if I get 40 likes and after a few hours I check, it's barely like 25 to 26. So that's the problem, so you'll have to bear with me. Yeah, and if you want me to draw anything else, you can drop it in the comment section down below. Also, this drawing is a recreation of Fear Gatch. I'll leave a screenshot right here, and I'll leave his Instagram account down in the description box, so go check him out. And yeah, that's going to be it for the intro, and let's roll it. Also, all the colors I used in this drawing will be in the description. I used a company called Touchwool, and I'm pretty much out of like ink, so I'll probably have to buy new colors. But the ones I used are in the link description, and I listed all of them by their numbers and their proper names. So yeah, if you want to draw the same drawing, you can check it out.
Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones again.
Also guys, go check out my gaming channel. It's called Legend Gaming, and Legend space gaming and without space 2611. I'll link it in the description to make it easier for you guys. If you guys like Call of Duty Mobile, you can like check it out there, because I post every week, or maybe sometimes like every 3 days or something. So go check it out. Like, I'm really consistent up there, unlike this channel. Also, my uploads are going to be really inconsistent on this channel from now on, because my exams, like 40 marks exams, are starting on like 15th of this month, that's October, and it ends on like 28th of October. So yeah, it will be really inconsistent. I'll try to draw as much as I can, record it, edit it, and schedule it throughout the month. But yeah, please, thank you, and yeah, enjoy the drawing.
I get so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see, when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Also, I don't know if you guys think like this or this other way, but I think my videos are becoming really boring. So just wait like for another month or so until I get my hands on the tripod. So once I get my tripod, I'm really going to produce the best quality of videos I can in my way. I'm going to use a different phone for recording for better quality. I'll do it during daytime so that I can get sunlight. I'll add more music. I'll do all the syncing. Then I'll do all those close-up looks properly at 120 frame rates and everything. So just bear with me till now, and don't unsubscribe, please. You can like drop a dislike or a comment if you don't like my videos.
You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
also, if you watched till this, then comment down below if I should keep my videos like approximately like 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long, 15 minutes long, 20 minutes long, or like I should upload a whole tutorial. Comment down below. I'll do a pinned comment and then you'll have to reply to it. Don't make separate comment, it will be just like a spam, please.
Nice guy. You'll always be my nice guy.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the tunnel close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. My love, I'm gone. I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity. 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 Gravity.
slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good